Good morning. Alright, now I only want to leave you with one thought in mind. The pivot. This is, I think, the only factor for today, because yesterday we finished above the number that I stated we should finish if we are to move higher. So the trend and the long-term trend, intermediate trend, call it, is we're moving up. Now, we went up 200 points yesterday. We went another, I think, 150 points on Friday, or whatever the case is. So, and there is no sellers. So the likelihood of them moving it up first and retracing it second is a better chance than moving it down. They could give you the impression of moving it down first and then shake you up. So the way I figure is the first half an hour will be shake and bake. So the second move, if you wait by 10:30, 10:15 or so, will be your best shot, because by that time they would have shaken enough people, put enough fear, and then when they drop it, if they drop it, you basically will be sitting on the sideline. Bottom line, this is what the best scenario is. So the pivot in this case is the thing to do, to watch. So if I think the pivot is going to be the support, because you're so far away from it to the right, they could drop it and still sit on the pivot and finish the day relatively happy. That's the scenario. Now, of course, if they break the pivot, you know what happened. You break the pivot, you sell the damn thing. If they don't break the pivot, you don't sell. So some numbers for you to keep in mind. Okay. 10,224 is the high in the Globex high. 10,186 is the low in the Globex high. Alright? The pivot is 10,159. So basically, if we're going to use the Globex high as an indicator, we basically have support above the pivot. So the argument still holds, which reinforces what I was saying, is the pivot is your strong point, what they have to hold in order for the market not to fall. Even if it falls to the pivot, it's no big deal. Alright? So trade nice, trade carefully, because today they might really do the squeeze on you without you knowing, and shake you, bake you, and turn you brown. Enjoy.